Kami muna ng hapon sa lahat na nanonood. Kami ang Group 2 TV Vlog! So mga ka-idol, ngayon ay kami ay magre-report. Ako yun yung matapang na leader sa PR2.
Oo naman si Anil Web ang pinaka-kulit na member. Matara!
Alam na ka!
Pinakamalaki!
Ano?
Ako pala si Rams. Pinakamataba.
Ako pala si Corby, ang pinakamatangkad sa gila.
Ako naman si Franz ang pinaka-matindi.
Di marinig ulit!
May kang boses. Ako naman po si J-Man.
Ala!
Ako si Jelly din ang pinakamahaba ng buhok.
Ako si Terry. Ano pa? Para absent.
Ano yung kailangan sa sumayaw?
Teka, para siya sumayaw, may tatanungin ako sa inyo. Isa sa inyo sasagot. Ano ang 4M's?
Pahirapan mo please!
Alberto!
Siya ang sasagot!
4M's! Dario!
Pag nasagot, kasayaw si Ram!
Sasayaw si Rams!
Ano yun, Alex?
Sasayaw! Power! Bilis! Machine!
Walang pa nga nasasagot eh.
4M's! Ay, hindi. Dula!
Gawin yan!
Sasayaw pag hindi nakasagot.
Pwede help a friend. Tulungan niyo.
Ewan ko na kayo, Berton.
Ako, Franz! Ako!
Bilisan mo.
Manpower!
Machine! Isa na lang.
Washing
Meron!
Yan na, sasayaw na sila.
Umayakong ka naman!
Wala pa.
Timer. Pangbariyang kay Timer.
Ano ba yan?
Ready na, ready.
1, 2, 3, go!
Si Rams! Ay, si Rams!
Ayan. Dahil dyan magbulito tayo sa ating topic. Ano ang...
Bilisan.
Ano ang production ay ang proseso ng pagbibigay ng ng raw materials into manufactured product. Ngayon, what is 4M's? Unahan niyo na.
Manpower.
What is manpower?
What is manpower?
Ay, na si Mamyo? Last one minute na lang.
Ano is materials?
Materials?
Lapit nyo na yan, Rams. Sige na.
Order to make a product.
Now, what is method?
Method is procedure to
Sa!
paano gawin ang
Pogi mo.
What is machine?
Ma'am!
Manufacturing equipment used in the production of goods or delivery of
Okay lang ba?
Nakabilo naman eh.
May earthquake drill daw.
Ha?
May earthquake drill.
Earthquake drill?
Hindi na ba tayo online?
Icebreaker first. Jumbled letters, guys. You have to guess. All these 5.
Yes.
Number 1.
Same. Same.
And these are our choices for our icebreaker. Would anyone like to take a guess on what type of food this is? Una. And then we have specialty goods. These are the goods that you purchase without regards for the price, but with regards to quality. Kasi
Budok klase. Ngayon is, meron tayong tinatawag na horizontal line test na pumapasok dito sa graph. And the next one, sa example, will be discussed by one.
The next is the example. As you can see here, this example represents the mapping diagram. Here, the given value of x is toy, bear, and robot. And the given value of y is keep 1, keep 2, and keep 3. As you can see here, meron silang sarili-sariling gamit, which is yung keep 1, yung toy, and yung keep 2, yung bear, and yung keep 3, yung robot. That's why it is kaya siya,
Send mo sa group
one-to-one
chat.
function. And the next one we will discuss
Kahit 1 or 2 minutes lang. Anong oras na na? Anong oras na? Begin!
Handa na kayo? Tayo ay
We are discussing about the multiplication of functions. That was discussed on the first quarter. Now let's have the definition and the steps in solving multiplication of functions.
So, as you have heard, we are going to discuss about multiplication of functions. And when we are talking about multiplication of functions, we are talking about combining 2 or more functions by multiplying their corresponding outputs. And to be able to do that, we have specific steps on how to multiply their functions. So, first step is substitute the given value of x to the functions which is f of x and g of x. And the second step is multiply each term from first function to each term of the second function. And the last one, not the final, the last and final step, multiply terms to be able to simplify your final expression. And indeed, we may take
So let's move on to the example one. So the value of f of x is equals to 2x plus 2. At yung value naman po ng g of x is equal to 5x plus 10. So maalala po natin ang formula for multiplication of function is f of x times g of x. So substitute lang po natin yung given, which is 2x plus 2, open those parentheses, 5x plus 10. So sa multiplication po is gumagamit tayo ng whole method, which is first, outer, inner, and last. So 2x,
Okay na na.
so it
Go!
everyone.
The group 1.
5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go! Plus. Minus. Equal. Plus. Equal. Sabay-sabay.
Okay, so for the P of M plus the base of P of N. So it just means that the logarithmic of the product, which is this one, is equal to the sum.
Mahal nating advisor, Ma'am Garaldi, tugon po.
Maraming salamat po.
Sa kanyang kabutihan ay walang hanggang pasasalamat ng ating sasabihin. Tugon po.
Maraming salamat
Naway ang
po.
kanyang buhay ay humaba pa ng abot langit. Tugon po.
Maraming salamat po.
Naway ang kanyang kabutihan. Naway ang kanyang kabutihan ay makaabot sa ating graduation. sa ating graduation. Tugon po.
Maraming salamat po.
Naway hindi po ibawas sa mga grado namin ang mga hinihingi namin dito. Tugon po.
Maraming salamat po.